Hello friends, today I am going to solve another string problem. Someone on Telegram, they have given me this problem and said that please solve this problem. So I have solved this problem. Let's see how I solve. So if you will discuss about this problem, the problem said that a company have launched a new text editor that allow users to enter English letter, number and white space only. Remember, English letter, numbers and white space only. If a user attempt to enter any other types of character, it is counted as a miss, right? So what we have to do, we have to count how many of time user have missed to enter that character. So given a string of text, write an algorithm to help the developer detect the number of missed by a given user in the given input. So if you will see as an example, we have a given one string, right? Suppose this all string have entered by user, and we have to count how many times of user miss to enter that character. So you will see this @ and this dollar symbol and these three symbols are incorrect, right? So we have to return count as 3. So let's solve this problem. So for solving this problem, suppose this is our string given by user, and we will count, right, how much element that user have entered in wrong, right? So for solving this problem, what we will do, first if you will see in questions, right, they have mentioned user can enter only this 3 element, this 3 character, right? So English letter, numbers and white space. Solving this problem, what we will do, we will just create one string, right? We will create one string and this str, and we will put this all character that user that question said that they can allow, right? Just like A to Z and space and 0 to 9, right? We will put this all character in this string, and we will check if, and we will start one loop, and we will take each and every character of this string, and we will check if this character is available in this string, right? It means that this is valid character. Otherwise we will check if this character is not in this string, we will say that this is not valid character. So in this case we will increment the count, right? So let's program for this. So this is our string. If you will see in question, this is our string and we have to count. So first, for solving this problem, we will create one loop, right? So first we will create one count variable so that we can count. So in start we will put 0, right? And we will use one loop start. We will start loop from I equals 0 to str dot length, right? And we will increment this loop. So first, if you will see, for solving this problem, we need another string, right? If you will see, we need another string which store all the valid character, right? So let's create another string. So we will create a string new str, and in this string we will put all character, right? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z and space and 0 to 9. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So we will create this loop, and inside this loop we will check, right? We will take each and every character of from this string str. So let's first take each and every character, right? So for taking character we have one function caret. So we will use str dot caret, right, I. So this method will return character from this string, and we will check if this character is available inside this new string or not. If this character will available in this string, so it will return index of that string, that character. If this character is not available in this string, so it will return -1. So we will check, right? If new str dot index of, we will give this character, right? If this character is available in this string, it will return index of that character, and if this character is not in this string, it will return -1. So we will check. If equal to -1, then we will go and we will increment count, right? And when this loop will run, and it will totally count how much invalid character in this string, and outside this loop we will just print count. So let's run this program. If you will see, they have printed 3, right? Because in this string only they have 3 invalid character. If we will say, we will put one invalid character also here, and %, right? It is also invalid character. We will put underscore also. So these two are also invalid character. So this time it will print 5. So let's run this program, and you can see this is a 5. This is the solution. Thank you so much.